To make your puff puff or Bofrot, you need 3 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of yeast, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 4 pinches of salt, half a cup of granulated sugar. You can use pure honey, and then lukewarm water, 1 sachet of peak milk, which is very optional. Just put all the ingredients into one bowl. You can also choose to add your yeast to the lukewarm water. That is also perfect. And then mix them together with your bare hand. And then gently add your lukewarm water. You want to add it till you get the butter to become a little bit lighter, but not too light that it will flow off a spoon. You want it to be stretchy and light, but not too light that it can easily flow off the spoon or something. You want to beat it so that you don't form any lumps in it. And then you cover it with a lid or a seal or anything. You just want to make sure it's airtight. Leave it to rise for about 45 minutes. When it's okay to fry, you see the butter would have risen and in quantity, and there will be air bubbles. Test the hotness of the oil by putting a drop of butter into the oil. If it hazels and comes up to the surface of the oil, then the oil is hot enough. Actually, you're supposed to deep fry it. That's, when your throat is aching for something and you don't have enough of it, you still make use of something. I don't know if I'm making sense at all, but I had to make use of the oil I had because I really wanted to eat my puff puff or Bofrot. It was one early Sunday morning and I was dying to eat it, so I had to make use of the little oil I had with me at the time. So you want to leave it for the sides to brown before you flip it over. And you don't want to put too much in it to overcrowd it. Bofrot or puff puff, as I remember, it was something we always took in the morning when we were kids. Even as now, we take it. I prefer that one to kose or masa. So then you try to flip it over. Actually, if I had used a little bit more oil, it would have looked better than this. It would have looked more spherical than these look like cozy, but I mean they are not, and once they are done they will look better. So just keep watching, okay? Don't lose hope, okay? On whatever you're doing, don't lose hope, because I didn't lose hope. My throat was dying, I was really eager to taste it. You see, it's really beautiful, isn't it? And you see there are just a little bit areas of that nearly got burnt because the oil is so little, and then the Bofrot is quite close to the bottom of the pan. That's why you see that way. But if you have enough oil and you're doing it, it's going to be better. Okay, so don't worry about it. And it's going to be more spherical globular than this one. So they are nicely fried and all golden brown, so beautiful. Take them out of the oil and then I place them in the stew so that it can drain out some of the excess oil on it before I actually take it. That little one there looks like a duck. Beautiful, isn't it? And you want it crunchy, so So this is what I had finally. So soft and delicious, and I was so hungry, so very hungry. You can see the flour on my hand, and it's so soft and so delicious. So you actually use cake flour, so you can use all-purpose flour if you want yours more thicker.